Mavic Air 2 comes with a newly designed remote controller for improved user experience. In this video, we will introduce the features and functions of the Mavic Air 2 remote controller. Starting from the right, there is the power button, flight mode switch, and RTH button. Power button. Press the power button once to check the battery level of the remote controller. Press twice and hold for 2 seconds to power the remote controller on or off. Flight mode switch. From left to right, the flight mode switch controls 3 modes that you can manually select. Make sure the switch is set to normal mode, which is the center setting. Press and hold the RTH button until the remote controller beeps to initiate RTH. The drone will fly back to the last recorded home point. Press again to cancel RTH. The customizable button is at the top left of the remote controller. Press the customizable button once to turn on the auxiliary bottom light, and then press it again to turn off the light. Press the customizable button twice to recenter the gimbal. You can customize the functions of this button in the app depending on your needs and preferences. Press the photo video toggle in the upper right corner once to switch between taking a photo or recording a video. Press the shoot record button at the top to take a photo or record a video. Use the gimbal dial to control camera tilt. Thank you for watching the Mavic Air 2 remote controller tutorial. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.